Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joseph and welcome. I ever eat these veggie straw sticks, but they still good. It's some good shit. I'm making down there. Okay, back to business. So I made a YouTube video for you guys because we got this storm coming and everything. And I wanted you guys to let's see, the camera this way. I don't like that. But I made this video for you guys. So you guys, I made a video, and look at why she look like that. Ugh.
First of all, don't put me in there.
You got in the camera yourself. I don't know who your baby is. I thought I was her baby, but I was not. But I made it like it was a good video, and it deleted. Only I got a clip of it, so I'm gonna show y'all this clip. Right. Hey, welcome back to me
17 business
on
days.
YouTube again.
Business days.
This is Nappy Head Tierra, and I know I keep wearing this jacket. This is my favorite jacket. I know.
Wait, what did you just call me?
Do they even have my size?
Silence is my best option.
They do have my size.
I'm in class. We finna leave at 1:30 because it's a snowstorm coming. So when I record again, I'm gonna show y'all later when I get home. This is OGT. Say hey, sugar lips.
Because
I'm gonna show y'all her twin up here. Let's see, a man I hate to be on. Let's sing a song. Come on, let's sing it. Okay.
yeah, it's like
Come
it's
on.
like select
Start from the
each
beginning.
size and I
We doing it like a song. Like
What do you mean by
not song, but we like doing like a cover to Down in the Den remix with somebody else, my favorite artist. I'm gonna put her picture up here. And
Your favorite artist is Yo Gotti?
no, I'm gonna put her picture up here. My cousin. You know my cousin.
Oh yeah. You right.
My cousin is no other than
I'm sure somebody's made that joke.
18.
come on. These are the best.
They stink.
Not as bad as your breath was stinking when you drank that
Don't play,
Pepsi.
because you turned around and you was talking. I had to turn the other way.
Did you 25 with my own bare hand?
Did she just try to play me?
Okay, but I ain't saying nothing for the weeks you would get on me from drinking my Pepsi.
Oh, I thought she trying to talk about me. I was gonna say, excuse me? I need to pause this for a second. Hold on, I'll be right back. That was just half of it. It wasn't even the full freaking thing. Like, I'm mad. And that was me at my school anyway. I had made like a whole video. I mean, like, me doing a mukbang and, how do I do it? Oh, I can't even zoom. Yeah, I was doing like a mukbang with me eating Chinese food and well, me showing y'all with the snow coming and all this snow, cause we got all this freaking snow. It don't make no freaking sense. Let me show y'all this snow. Hold on. So all this snow, I had shoveled like this stuff down and moved some of that stuff off the way because it was all on the porch. I shoveled the cars off. I shoveled my truck off. Her name is Sheila. We got people making snowmen because all this freaking snow doesn't make no sense. No, it don't. So that's that. So that was that. Then I was on her on that video. I was up here singing. Let me show y'all what I was singing. I was like, how what I was doing? I was like, I I know I can sing, oh yeah. I know I can sing, oh yeah. I know I can sing, oh yes I can. And y'all know, you can sing if your bottom lip shake. So look, watch. 1, 2, 3. I know I can sing, oh yes. I know I can sing, oh yeah. I know I can sing, oh yeah. See? Oh, and there. But, yeah, that's it. Oh my God, that stink. But I'm going the next video I'm gonna do. Oh, your TV is not working.
Huh?
It worked. Those not the right one. Them the veggie sticks, not veggie straws. They still good though.
These veggie straws.
Yeah, cause like you got the straws, you can like put in your drink and you can drink with, you can sip with them. They still good. The straws are just like these, same flavor and everything. They're the straws. These are the sticks. They still good. The straws you can put in your drink and you can drink with them. Like
These are nasty. No taste, no flavor, no nothing.
The orange ones are tomatoes. The white ones are potatoes, and the green ones are spinach.
Ooh.
They season with sea salt. They still good. I like them. We got two kinds. We got this kind too. The cheddar. Yep, we got great value. But cheddar veggie straws. Hey, y'all got some to drink right here. I'm just playing, but you can drink. I got these. We got these. We doing like this Daniel fast type thing. Well, I'm not. But you gotta eat like stuff. I don't eat like the potato chips, but these are actually still healthy for you. And like we finna make like veggie burgers and stuff and stuff like that. You know, veggie stuff. Trying to eat healthy. And yeah. I'm gonna braid them. Get like the braids to the back. It look like this because I got a part right here. My hair just going back in. I gotta get a haircut. And I ain't doing it to my hair today. I just really got up. I ain't got my phone. I ran out of time. Yeah. But my next video, I'm gonna do like story time. So yeah. But I know it's Saturday. It's Saturday. I was gonna have this video from yesterday. The video from yesterday until today. Because it was like a long vlog, but you messed up. I'll do it again. Come on. Okay. That's it for this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, join the team, turn your post notifications on, and we'll see you next video. Peace. Peace. I just play it. We gotta be live in there, like turn it up. I still want to get this old video off my phone so I can show y'all when I was at my school. This is all for this video. Remember? Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, join the team, turn your post notifications on, and we'll see you next video. This is Sir Isaac Newton. Peace. I have a plan. Okay, for real though. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, join the team, turn your post notifications on, and we'll see you next video. Peace.